Wengeneza wethu impela sibana lapha ku station commander wasinanda njengoba ke sezifikele mathuphe endaweni ke yesigameko lapha ke utholene pass phezulu kamaphoyisa kanye ke nabalisa ke babili njengoba ke impela ke balisa babili ke begcine ke besala ke enkundleni kanti ke wengeneza wethu impela ku station commander uthema ngabe echaza ke uthi amaphoyisa ke begasele kuona ke lo muzi njengoba ke ethema ngabanje ke sanokha impela ke labalisa bangaphakathi bavulele ke engayo ke inganono kanti ke wengeneza wethu impela ke amaphoyisa behlumeke izingovolo njengoba ke ekwazile ukuthi abaqumbe phansi bona ke labalisa ke babili njengoba ke esikhuluma nje impela ke sebeke ukubandayo kanti ke ubeseveza ukuthi ke kunomlisa kosindile njengoba ke yena ke lo mlisa ubesendlini ke encane kanti uzathi ke mangabe phuma ke impela ke amaphoyisa ke bese egcwele ke indlu wabe ke impela ke surrender ke yena hayi ke wengeneza wethu impela uqhube ke waveza ukuthi ke bona ke labalisa ke kuyasolakala ukuthi ke bangaphansi kwalo ke iqembu eliduma kakhulu phana ke ekhona ke nanda ke iWest Gang bafethu impela phana masikhuluma kakhulu ke ngicela uba nginithulele ke yona le nkulumo ka station commander nangenizwele.
They knocked and the shooting started from inside. Then they fired back. And when they fired back, the people inside, those two deceased, they died. Fortunately, no one injured from the police. And there was one guy that was in the loo that came out. He was part of the group inside the house. That one was arrested with no injuries. He was not fighting with anyone. Yes, but the current intelligence is working on it so we can confirm it. But for now, the information that indicates that they're part of the West Gang.